What's up, guys? It's me, Packy. Welcome back to the House Channel. Today, we're running a challenge where we give college kids the chance to throw one shot and strike for $100. Now we got to go find some college kids. So we're filming a video today where we're asking strangers to throw a strike for $100, and I was wondering if you wanted in on that. Yeah?
Oh, yeah. This one seems to be calling my name.
Oh, man. Oh.
Close.
All right, so there is a second chance for $20 to make the spare. So you work here, right? You
Yeah.
see a lot of people bowl. Percentage-wise, how many people do you think can strike?
Maybe 10%.
That's what I was thinking, maybe like 10. Hey! Oh yeah. Hell yeah, $20. That's the wrong stack.
Incredible.
I guess you work here, so you know, a little bonus money today. Congrats.
Sweet.
I'm filming a YouTube video today,
Sure.
and I was wondering if you guys wanted to try and throw a strike downstairs for $100.
I think we could take $100 if we.
You don't think you could take $100? Really?
Not if we stole. No, I don't think.
Could you take $100 cash? No?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
All right, all right. So I'm a professional bowler, and I was wondering if you guys wanted to go downstairs, I'll give you each one shot, and if you strike, you get $100. Cash.
You want to do it?
You guys want in on that?
Sure.
All right. I have a YouTube channel called The House Bowling. Subscribe. Try and get more people in the bowling alley down on campus because I know they get a lot of like, college kids who bowl on the team, but not a lot of people who, like come down
From the
recreationally.
community and stuff.
You said you bowl every other year.
Just about, yeah. Maybe once a year, once every other year.
That's
right.
There is a follow-up. You can spare it for $20.
For $20.
All right.
Well.
We got some free game coupons for you, even if you don't
Oh,
strike, so,
awesome. Thank
yeah.
you. Now's the time to start trash talking.
And this is a little
No,
bit-
you can't trash talk because then you're gonna look like an idiot.
Why?
Ah, dang it!
Good news, you still got a spare for $20 though. You still
Spare
got
for
a
$20.
Well, that's pretty close.
There we go.
Oh, that's pretty close. Oh, we got some free game coupons for you. Thanks
Free
for,
game coupons?
Thanks for
Sweet.
participating. I appreciate it, guys.
Yeah, absolutely.
We have no strikers so far. This is Rich. He runs this place. He's the man. Thanks for helping us out. I'm filming a YouTube video, and I was wondering if you wanted to be in it. All right.
Walk on like this and just
That's pretty close. You can make a spare for $20.
that's fine, I can
All
take
right.
it.
Same
missed it.
spot. Same spot. All right.
The same
Well, good
spot.
news is we got some free game coupons till you get a free game of bowling, all right?
It's a great YouTube channel.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks. I have a question for you, and I was wondering if you guys wanted to go downstairs to the bowling alley, and if you guys bowl a strike, I'll give you guys $100.
Let's do it.
One shot, and if you spare, I'll give you $20. All right? Oh man, that's pretty close. Oh, all right.
See, that was so bad.
Damn, that was pretty close. All right. That's pretty close. All right. All right.
We'll try this again.
That's pretty close. All right. All right. You got
This is
some
gonna
muscle.
be so bad.
So she should use like a 10. A 20? I don't think they make those. They only go up to 16. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh. That was so close. That was so
the
close.
best.
She said she might throw it on lane 3. Right down the middle. All right, all right.
No.
Still got some free game coupons, so if you guys want to come back, you can bowl a free game. Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks for participating. Appreciate you guys. That was exciting. I thought she was striking for sure. She was the most nervous too. Anybody can strike. It's just hard. Matt, how many people do you think are going to strike?
People coming in cold, not expecting to bowl 1, no practice 2, I think 5%,
5%?
is the number.
We're
Yeah.
what? Right now we're like 0 for 5. To the average Joe, like who bowls once a year, it's hard. I also absolutely loved how nervous they were.
Terrified.
Going downstairs and trying to throw a strike for $100. Would you?
I could maybe do it.
You could maybe do
I
it?
used to bowl in
You
high
got-
school, so I could maybe
Oh, we found a bowler.
My name is Morgan. That was
All right,
so cool.
I'll give you a chance though. You get a chance for a spare for $20.
I think I could maybe
You
get
think you
it.
can maybe make this? All
Yeah.
right. You're not gonna do it.
Oh, damn it.
All right, all right. Well, nice try, nice try. All right, Isaiah he's our guy. Isaiah got a spare for $20. He's the only one to win money so far. We've had a few people down here. No pressure, Madison. Right foot on the big dot, and look at the middle arrow, and see what happens.
We're just gonna find out.
All right. That was close.
Nope.
That was closer than I thought. You got a chance to spare two for 20 bucks. You left yourself a tough one.
Nope. Yeah.
All
no,
right,
I don't
all
bowl.
right. We got some free game
I don't
coupons
bowl.
for you guys just for coming down and trying it out. Still no winners. Get a chance to bowl a strike for 100 bucks. Real quick, one shot.
I'll do that.
One shot. And spare for 20. Think you got a good chance?
Maybe.
You bowl a lot?
Like a little bit. So.
100 bucks for a strike. No pressure.
Oh, that's a lot of pressure.
Oh, a two-hander. Oh my God. Oh, you clearly have bowled before. You clearly have bowled before. He was laughing.
I said I did bowl, but
Spare for 20 bucks.
spare for 20.
You ever bowl when you were in high school or anything?
Yeah, all 4 years of high school.
Loop me in.
Still had a little something in there,
All
but
right.
nope.
All right. Well, good news. We got some free game coupons anyway.
Oh, okay, man.
Just right now?
One shot, yeah.
Okay.
Whatever ball you want. Just.
Just a
All right,
complete gutter ball.
do you want to try and spare for 20 bucks? All right,
Okay, but
yeah.
I probably won't.
And,
Oh my.
all right, that was close. What's your name?
Julia.
Nice to meet you. Appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thanks for
of
coming out.
course.
I got a free game coupon for you just for trying.
Okay.
All right. What's your name?
Michelle.
All right, Michelle. I would suggest either the red one or like the light one right there. That's 8 pounds.
Perfect.
All right. All right. All right. So when you're throwing a shot, I would look. See how there's a bunch of arrows?
Yeah.
I would try and look at the middle arrow.
Okay.
So spare here, 20 bucks.
Not 50?
Maybe it should be 50 because I mean,
Yeah.
I think we've only had one spare.
Oh,
That was closer though.
so close.
All right. Well, thanks for playing. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right. Good luck. Oh my God. Hold on a second. Oh. That was so good though. What's your name?
Autumn.
Autumn. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
If you get 2 of them, I'll give you 20 bucks.
2 of them?
If you just get 2.
Oh.
Oh, hey! All right, all right. I'll give you 20 bucks and a free game coupon. That way you can come back with your
Thank
friends. All right? I'm filming a YouTube video and I was wondering if you wanted to try and bowl for 100 bucks downstairs.
Bowl for 100.
One shot, $100 if you strike.
Okay, yes.
You guys are in?
Oh, damn.
Do you guys get?
I'm going to bowl. I'm doing this.
No warm up.
No warm up. I think so. No, you're good. Oh, that's pretty good. All right. Second chance, 20 bucks if you make the spare.
All right.
Man, you slung that thing down there. You've bowled before.
Yeah, I bowl a
I
lot.
could tell.
I bowl a lot with my dad.
Where you from?
My dad's a bowler. I'm from Wisconsin.
Oh, shooter!
Ooh.
Come on now.
Baby.
Come
Come
on.
on, baby. Let's go.
20 for you. You got a chance at 100 still.
All right.
What's your name?
Hogan.
Hogan?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hey. Oh. Yo! Let's go. Chris Pundy, just for you. Thanks, man. Appreciate you coming out. Oh, that was awesome. Thanks, guys. Yeah, it's a real $100 bill. Real money. Yeah. Thank you guys for coming out. I'll give you a... Wow. That was hype.
That was pretty good.
That was sick.
My name is Zach. I'm about to win $100.
Go.
Yeah.
Nope. I can get the spare though.
You get the spare though. You get a chance at the spare. That's pretty close. Damn, all right, that was pretty close though. That was pretty close.
Man.
Good news is you get a free game coupon no matter what.
Bet.
You said you haven't bowled in years.
No, that's actually, I lied.
Okay, she lied to us. Just like Zach, first one's practice, right?
Practice.
First one's a practice shot. This is a hard spare.
Does
You
it
don't
still
get-
count as a strike if I knock them all down in one?
Absolutely not. About 15. All right, all right. Good news is you still get the free game coupon.
Oh, perfect.
Want to try and strike for 100 bucks?
I used to bowl with my mom. Yeah.
Like you join a league and stuff?
No, like just
You just go
for
all
fun.
the time, yeah.
Yeah.
Just for fun. All right. Oh, all right. Well, second shot. 50.
Second shot?
Second shot for 20. I know when people have bowled before because they come down here and they hook it a little bit. That's when I know that they've lied to me immediately. All right. Well, I got a free game coupon for you anyway. Thanks for coming out. Appreciate it. People be lying to me, telling me they've never bowled before. They're hustling. You bowled before?
I have.
At least she's honest.
I have
A bunch
bowled.
of people have told us they haven't bowled before, and then they come down here, and I know
And
on
you could
the first
tell.
shot. You could tell. I could tell you bowled a little bit before. You get a chance
My
for a
first
spare
try.
for 20 bucks.
I'm embarrassing myself, but it's okay. Are you serious? No.
You could tell you bowled before. Like you could tell, like you got the right footwork, you got the step. Oh! That was super close though. Thanks for coming out. I appreciate it. I got a free game coupon for you just for trying.
Okay.
So I'm filming a YouTube video. I was wondering if you want to come downstairs and try and bowl a strike.
Sure.
It's $100 to try and strike.
Sure.
Yeah, you in?
Yeah. Only get one shot.
You only get one shot.
Okay.
Abby, nice to meet you. That's
nice to meet you.
That was close. All right. That was closer than a lot. You'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. Switch it up on the weight. All right, well, I appreciate you
Cut that out of
trying.
your video, okay?
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
Super busy.
Yeah, we're about to go to class.
If you guys want to come downstairs and try and strike for $100.
I will try that.
To try that?
Sure.
All right, you guys want to come down? Who do we think has the best chance?
Jackson.
Why? Immediately him.
You just look like a
They said
bowler.
immediately. What does a bowler look like? Excuse me. Hold on. Hold on a second. If you had to pick one of them that had the best chance to strike.
I'm gonna go Emma. We got Emma. She's gonna get it if I don't.
All right. I'll give you a chance to spare for 20 bucks.
Okay, sounds good. Let's do this one.
13.
Yeah, let's
Lucky.
try it.
Oh, that's close. That's better than most. Better than most. We've had a lot of gutter balls.
Yeah,
I
we
appreciate
didn't
it.
do
Thanks
bad.
for showing up.
Yeah, no problem.
Your name is Packy?
My name is Packy, and your name is
Radek.
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 That's a sick name.
One sick name to another, I suppose.
The coolest name duo down here.
What are the rules? Just bowl it?
One strike, $100. You only get one shot. That was good. You could tell you had a little bit of form there, though. Oh, that's close. All right. Very, very similar. Very similar. Very similar.
Mic'd up.
I have high hopes for you.
Can I use the lightest
So does
one?
the whole group. I'm just letting you know.
Clear.
All right. All right. Well, you got pins on the first one. You got a chance again. Spare for 20 bucks.
Oh.
All right. Are you bringing up the rear here? What's your name?
Andrew.
Oh, Andrew and the Birkenstocks. Come on. They all told me that if you strike, you guys all agreed beforehand that you were going to split the $100.
Is that? Yeah.
You're just going to palm it?
Yeah, palm it.
Wow.
It's easier for me.
Apparently.
That was so bad.
You should put your fingers in it.
Yeah, maybe that's
put your
what.
fingers in it. Oh man. Oh. All right. Nice try though. I got some free game coupons for you guys so you guys can come back and bowl. All right. I have a question for you guys. I was wondering if you guys want to come down to the bowling alley and try and just throw one shot for $100. Yes. He said yes immediately. You're in class right now? Yeah. We'll do the.
But I'll move with my class over here.
All right. We don't encourage this, but.
No warm up? Okay. Yeah.
Who do you think has the best chance? You can pick yourself if you want.
He's really good at throwing it straight. I know that. I don't have any faith in him.
Zero. Let's go!
Yes.
There we go. Damn. You didn't even pick yourself?
Oh, I should
Here's a
have.
crisp Pundy just for you. Yes, it's real.
That's what's up. That's real money.
You gonna repeat here? Back-to-back strikes?
We'll see. It's been a while.
It's been a little while. Oh.
No.
All right.
Slipped off.
All right. I'll give you the opportunity to spare for 20 bucks.
Okay.
That's close. Oh.
Not enough.
That was close
Tough.
though. All right. Nice job. Nice job. And who we got next?
I have not bowled in years.
I'm not gonna lie. We've heard this a lot so far. All right. All right. You're gonna change weights?
Yeah, I'll change weights.
Change weights. Oh. All right. Thanks for coming out.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate
the chance.
I'd like to say, before we even start, that before he got on camera, he believed in me. And then after he got on camera, he didn't. So we'll see which one's right.
Oh, you can tell he's got a little hook on it.
There
You've
was no
bowled before,
curl.
though. You've bowled before.
Let's just go straight line this time.
Straight up the middle. That's close. Oh. All right.
Well, that was
Thanks
close.
for coming out. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
I got free game coupons for all you guys so you guys can come back and bowl. Wow. I mean, I was hoping one of them struck. A lot of confidence. They said they took the bowling class. Holly must be a good teacher. Excuse me, I'm filming a YouTube video. We're looking for random strangers on WSU campus to try and go to the bowling alley and strike for $100. Would you be interested? You only get one shot though. Are you interested?
Yeah. I'll do it. $100. This can wait.
Nobody's brought their own ball yet. I feel like that might be cheating. No, well we'll give you your 100 for striking on the first try.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah,
that was
appreciate it. Thanks for coming out.
Thank you very much.
And for all you guys, thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Some of you might recognize him from, you know, a couple shows, once or twice, but
I'm just here continuing my education.
As we all are.
Pick me up from the street. Subscribe to the House channel.
And we'll catch you guys on the next video.